exposing the secret sauce in Ripple's latest creation. A stablecoin like no other. Ripple's new stablecoin is launching this Tuesday, and it's a big deal. But what's a stablecoin, you ask? Imagine a cryptocurrency that doesn't roller coaster like Bitcoin. It's steady, reliable, and perfect for everyday payment. Ripple's stablecoin is pegged to the US dollar, so one coin equals $1. No more stressing about volatile market swings. It's designed to make transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. And here's the kicker. It's built on Ripple's powerful blockchain tech, making it super secure and lightning fast. Say goodbye to those hefty transaction fees. So, why should you care? Because this isn't just another coin. It's a game changer for how we think about digital money. Whether you're buying your morning coffee or sending money overseas, Ripple's stablecoin makes it smoother and simpler. Get ready, because this Tuesday, the future of payments gets a serious upgrade. Don't miss out.